Now that we've installed pgadmin and connected to our server for the first time, let's install our first sample database. Download the sample database's zip file from the start of this module. I've downloaded mine to my Windows desktop. I'm going to right-click on it and then select Extract All. This will open up a dialog where I can unzip the contents into a folder on my desktop. I will keep the default value and click the Extract button to begin the unzip, and then a window will appear that shows two files inside of a folder on my desktop. You'll notice that both of these files have a TAR suffix, or tar. These files are known as tarballs. They are compressed backup files of these databases, which we can use inside pgadmin to create the databases with just a few simple clicks of a button. So I'm going to go back into pgadmin, and then on my object menu, find the option that says Create Database. This will open up a dialog where I can name my database. I'm going to give it the name DVD Rental. Keep the owner as Postgres. You don't need to change any of these settings, and then click Save. This will create a new database on your server. Next, right-click on the DVD Rental database, and then find the option for Restore. Select it, and a new dialog will open where you are prompted to restore a database from a backup file. You can keep the first drop-down as it is, and on the file name input, select the button to the far right side with the three dots in the middle. This will open up a file picker dialog where you can find your tarballs and begin the process of restoring the database. You may need to go to the drop-down menu in the lower right corner and change the format from backup to all files in order to see your tarballs. Once you've done this, select the DVD Rental tarball and then click the blue Select button to begin the process of restoring the database. Once you've picked the DVD Rental tarball, go to the Role Name drop-down menu and select Postgres from the available options. Then click Restore. You'll see a dialog pop up in the lower right corner of pgadmin that tells you your progress in restoring the database. It should only take a few seconds. Once it's done, to verify that the installation worked, open up the Schemas section of your DVD Rental database, and you should see a public schema. Then open up the Tables node underneath the public schema, and you should see several tables. Then, to confirm that these tables have data in them, you can right-click on one of them, find the View Edit Data option, and then select First 100 Rows. pgadmin will automatically generate a short blurb of SQL and will display the first 100 rows of data inside the table that you choose. This just confirms that our installation worked fine on the sample database, and we are ready to begin working.